EarthQuaker Devices launches Sunn O, Life Pedal V3, Distortion, Octave Up and Booster. Welcome to Music Gears, where we bring you the latest info on new music instruments, software, and other gear from around the world. Audio Distribution Group are pleased to announce that EarthQuaker Devices has launched a new product today. The Sunn O, Life Pedal V3, developed in collaboration with influential experimental metal band Sunn O, brings EarthQuaker Devices' distortion pedal back into production. Each previous limited iteration has been a runaway success, with many units changing hands on the open market for well in excess of their original retail prices. However, the V3 model adds some improvements and will now be a full-time part of the EQD lineup. As with V2, Sunn O, Life Pedal V3 offers 3 clipping options to adapt to different rigs, while the Octave section has been fine-tuned to be more pronounced, without losing the bottom end, and now made switchable via an added foot switch with Flexi Switch Technology. Main features: distortion pedal with a blendable analog octave up and a booster. For instant earth-shaking Sunn O, signature tones. Version 3 of the popular Life Pedal, designed in collaboration with Sunn O. Features 3 different clipping options: symmetrical silicon, asymmetrical silicon and LED. Pure op-amp drive. Distortion and booster can be used independently. Expression and foot switch control over analog octave up, new. Octave blend allows total control over how much octave is mixed into the circuit. All analog signal path. True bypass. Silent relay-based switching with Flexi Switch Technology. Powered by regular 9V DC PSU, center dash, 2.1 mm, 25 mA current draw. EarthQuaker Devices say, the Sunn O, Life Pedal V3 is a distortion with a blendable analog octave up and a booster combined in one compact package. The amplitude side is faithfully modeled after the classic white face distortion unit, using modern, reliable components to last a lifetime. The only modifications made to the original circuit are in the clipping section. The traditional circuit uses a single pair of silicon diodes for a tight, compressed crunch. As with version 2, Sunn O, Life Pedal V3 offers 2 additional clipping options to better adapt to different rigs. The first position is no diodes to allow for full, grinding op-amp assault at maximum volume. The second position utilizes 2 silicon diodes and 1 LED in an asymmetrical clipping configuration. This delivers a slightly compressed and smooth crunch, similar to a valve amplifier. The last position is the stock double silicon diode configuration, which provides that classic tone you know and love. The Octave in Life Pedal is an all-discrete, analog full-wave rectifier base on a classic vintage design. Located at the input of the circuit, the Octave control slowly blends in the octave effects as you turn it clockwise. This feature can also be used via expression control, allowing for wild, hands-free octave swells mid-riff or using the foot switch for immediate octave fuzz destruction. Because this is an analog octave effect, it is monophonic and works best playing single notes above the 12th fret while using the neck pickup. Playing chords with the analog octave will sound clanging and chaotic. Using the bridge pickup and playing below the 12th fret will produce a very subtle octave effect. Going full octave transforms Life Pedal from a simple distortion device into a swelling, raging fuzz similar to the classic super fuzz. The magnitude section of Life Pedal is a simple all-discrete MOSFET booster designed to blast your preamp tubes and drive them wild. It is a 100% clean, no-nonsense, high-impedance booster that adds very little color to your tone. It does not add distortion on its own, but has plenty of output to push your amp into saturation. The signal path goes octave distortion boost. The octave distortion and booster can be used independently with their own respective foot switches. The Petrine Cross is the octave distortion and the Christian Cross is the booster. GBP ERP, £369. Available now. Please click the like button if you found this helpful. And if you'd like to stay informed on the latest in music gear releases and limited time discount offers, please subscribe. Thanks for joining us.